Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my ClickBank series. This is days number 34, 35, and 36, if I'm not mistaken. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So what I'm doing is I'm taking ClickBank products and I'm promoting it using a platform called My Lead Gen Secrets. What My Lead Gen Secrets does is for $1 a day, you can get 100 leads. And the link for this is right underneath the video. So you can click on that link, get signed up. And I'm using 2 accounts. The people that I've seen do this, I'm doing a case study. And the people that I've seen do case studies on this have at least 5 accounts. And the more accounts you have, the better success you're going to have pretty much. But I'm just using 2 accounts. And I'll show you the secret of signing up the extra accounts. Also, if you're just tuning in, go back and watch the very first video of this series. I also got that posted below this video. That way, you'll see exactly what I'm doing. I explain everything a lot better. I'm not speeding through the videos like I am right now. So I just want to show you all how to sign up those other accounts. I always have to sign in twice. All right, so this link right here is your affiliate link. So what you would do is you would copy that and you would open up a new tab and you would just paste and go. So now it's going to bring you to this screen right here. You will click on Use My Secret Now and you will sign up your other account. Why you would do that is because now signing up that second account under your first account is now going to give you 100 bonus leads every single day. So now you're getting 200 leads every single day for $1, while that other account is still getting 100 leads every day for $1. So that's 300 leads every single day for $2. And that's what I'm doing. Everybody else, they're doing 5 accounts. So they got their first account is getting $200. Then they're signing up their third account underneath their second account. So their second account is getting, I said dollars, 200 leads. Then their fourth account is getting signed up under their third account. And each account will have a different link that you can use. So whenever you sign into your second account, you will use your second account's link to sign up your third account, if that makes sense. All right, so if it don't make sense, go back and watch the first video of the playlist and I go over it again there. So I'm going to sign into ClickBank, check our results. I didn't even send out emails yesterday. Had one of my homies that I haven't seen in a long time came to town and we hung out, and that's why I didn't send my email that I spent the day hanging out with him. We did not get a sale, obviously. No emails going out. You ain't gonna get a sale pretty much. Nah. Alright, so no sales. We still got the one sale on the second. So I'm gonna click on my account name down here. Close this other tab. I'm going to check the reporting. So I'm going to click on reporting up here. Got 5,098 hops. That's good. Let me write that in my stats. With $0. Alrighty. I'm just going to check my tracking IDs. Alrighty. Alright, so to promote ClickBank, what I'm going to do, or products from ClickBank, I'm going to come up here and click on Marketplace up here in the middle of this little blue banner up here. I'm going to click on Marketplace. Now it's going to pull up a bunch of categories over here on the far left as soon as it loads up. And the leads that we are getting from My Lead Gen Secret, they only work for one category and one category only, and that is this category right here, the e-business and e-marketing. They will not work with anything else. Man, my computer's lagging for some reason. So be sure to click on e-business and e-marketing. Now I already know what product I'm promoting. I'm promoting this first one, but if I was picking a product to promote, I was sorted by gravity. Man, what's going on with my computer? I was sorted by gravity. Because gravity, they sort them by the best converting products. All right, so this is the product we're promoting. I'm going to scroll down, make sure you all can see. So I'm going to click on affiliate page. And it's going to open up a new tab, and it's going to bring me to all of these things these companies has already got pre-written for us to use to promote their products. So we're going to be sending out emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on email swipes right here. I'm going to come back over here to see what my last email was that I sent. So I'm going to click on mailing system. I'm getting ready to send out my email. So I'm going to click on mailing system. I'm going to hit select all. It's going to select all of my leads. I got 34,600 of them. The last email I sent said 150 bucks per day gaming job. That was over here somewhere. I think it was 14. Nope, 15. Okay, that was email 15. So we're going to send them email 16. Upload TikTok for a living or get paid 170 bucks a day for uploading TikTok. That's the subject line I want to use. That one sounds better. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste it right here in the subject line. Get paid 175 bucks a day for uploading TikToks. I'm going to put a money symbol in front of that. I like having the dollar signs in front of any numbers. So I'm going to scroll down, erase everything in the email body. And I'm going to come back and copy this email body. And I'm not going to copy the hop link down here. I'm just going to stop right where it says signature. So I'm going to hit Control C to copy. Come back over here, Control V to paste. And for those following my series, I like to do my 0 through 9 trick. I'll type out 0, 1 through 9 4 times. And I'm going to shorten up this. I do that so my emails don't go past this. So probably about after the word business, I'm going to start a new line. So I'm just going to copy all this. Open up my notepad, paste that right there, and after the word business, I'm just gonna put my cursor right in front of the word can, hit backspace, and enter. And I'm just gonna shorten these sentences down. I just don't like my email stretching that far out. All right, so that looks good. I could probably put that back up there. That down there. Can probably go back up. All right, and I'm just gonna copy this and paste it all in here. My computer's doing some crazy things. All right. So now right here where it says name, they have these codes up here. I'm going to copy the code for first name because I just want to call the person by their first name. And I'm going to hit Control C to copy that. I'm going to highlight where it says name. I'm going to post that code, paste that code right there. So what that code is going to do is going to call, since I used the first name, it's going to call all 34,600 leads by their first name. So if the person I'm emailing's name is John, it's going to call them John. If their name is Bill, it's going to call them Bill. So the signature, that's going to be your name. So enter your name and then make sure this perfect timing box is checked. Now we need to go get our links and put them in here so people can click on them. And when they click on them and buy from that link, that's when you earn a commission. So we're going to come back to this first tab. And this is the product we're promoting. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And we're going to hit promote. Now what is required is your nickname. So you have to have a nickname in order for them to identify who the affiliate is that they're going to pay. So my account nickname's already there. The tracking ID is optional. Since I have 2 accounts, I like to track how each account is doing. So for my first account, I'll just use MLGS. That stands for My Lead Gen Secret. Then I'll just click Create Hop Link. And there's my link right there. And there's a button on the far right that says Copy. It's right behind my video. You can't see it. So I'll just hit Copy. And as you can see, it says Hop Link Copy. Now I'll come back to the mailing system. And I'll breeze through the email and see where I can insert this link. Nowadays, all right, I'm just going to insert it right here. It says hit this blue line to apply. So I'm going to highlight that sentence. I'm going to click on this link right here at the top. It's going to pop open that box, and I'm going to insert my affiliate link. And as you can see, it has my tracking ID right there at the end. I'm going to hit OK. There's a button that says preview. It's a red button. I'm going to hit preview. I'm going to click on this link to make sure that the link is working. So it works. So now I can close this, and I'm going to hit send email. Now you can only email these leads one time a day, so I can't email again for another 23 hours. So now I want to send emails out with my second account. So the quickest way to do that, I'm going to show you. You'll come up here to this tab and you'll right click on it, then you'll hit duplicate. Now, since you don't have the little log out thing here, just click on the banner and then it'll pop up like that. Then you'll log out. Then you'll sign in to your next account. So I'm going to use Iwazir2. Sign in. Click on mailing system. You're just going to repeat the steps. Select all. 17,400 leads. Now for the subject, you'll just come back to the first tab. Highlight the subject that you put in the first email. Paste it right there. Scroll down, hit Control A to select all, hit delete. Come back to the first tab, hit Control A to select all, hit Control C to copy. Come back over here, hit Control V to paste. Click the perfect timing box. Double click on the line for those of you using tracking IDs. I'm going to add the number 2 at the end so I can tell that it's coming from my second account. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click preview. I'm going to check to make sure the link is working. It works. I'm going to close out the box. I'm going to hit send email. So it's really that simple. That's all you have to do. So we'll come back tomorrow, check on the results. Tomorrow, let me see if I'll be around. I'm pretty sure I could be around tomorrow to make a video for this. So we'll see. I'll try my best to. I really appreciate you all tuning in, and come back tomorrow. You all have a great day. Take care. Be safe out there.